Good day, everyone. Today, I will be presenting about the franchise business concept. So we have here the contents. First, the franchising. Later on, I will be discussing what is franchising and also the history and overview and what are the types of franchising. So, what is franchising? Franchising is a business arrangement where the franchisor or owner of a brand grants the franchisee or the investor the right to use its brand name, products, services, and business system in exchange for fees. So, kumbaga, ang franchising, amo na ang owner of a brand, ginatawag natin na franchisor, and allow sa another person or business or ginatawag natin nga franchisee para nga mag-use kang brand name, kang product and services, and business system kang isa ka franchisor. So, in exchange, the franchisee mapay kang fees and royalties sa may franchisor. So next, the franchisee, it operates the business following rules, standards, and guidelines set by the franchisor in order to maintain uniform quality across all outlets. So, ang franchisee muna ang garants kang business by following the rules, standards, and guidelines na ginaset kang franchisor. So, in order to make sure nga ang nga product, each branches have the same quality, service, and customer experience no matter what they are located. So next, I am going to present about the history of franchising. So, ang franchising is nag-start in the middle 1800s during the Industrial Revolution. So, during that time, businesses needed efficient ways to expand their markets or business. So, that time, franchising is not invention din, unlike sa mga telephone or electricity. So, ang franchising sa una is a business practice ng mga businesses na ga-develop lang gradually over time. Kaya for example, isang una is ang factories could already produce many products like sewing machine, pero ang problem sa una is ang company could not sell and service products everywhere by itself. So, si Isaac Miratsinger, siya ang earliest pioneers of franchising. So, So he is the founder of the Singer Sewing Machine Company in 1851. So he created a system where ang mga independent agents or businesses were allowed to use the Singer name, sell and repair machines, and follow company rules. So sa muna nga time, sige-sige na nga nagsigisige na nga mag-expand ang mga businesses during Industrial Revolution. Next, I am going to discuss about the overview of franchising. So, ang franchising is a business partnership between two parties, the franchisor and franchisee. So, ang franchisor muna ang owner kang brand and ang franchisee pay fees to use the brand and to operate the business. So they must follow the rules set by the franchisor in order to ensure consistency and quality across all branches. Basta tandaan lang natin nga ang franchisor siya na ang owner kang brand tapos ang franchisee sila na ang mga businesses nga ga-pay fees sa mga franchisor in order to receive training, support, and the right use to the franchisor system. Yes, we have here the franchisor din ang provide ng training and support and guidance in order para nga ang business mas madasig mag-expand with less risk. So my last topic is all about the types of franchising. So first, the product distribution franchise. So this franchise is focused on selling the franchisor's product. So ang franchisee is allowed na mag-use or i-use ang brand name ng franchisor, but then limited lang ang control over daily operations. So that means that the franchisor does not closely manage kung paano ang franchisee mag-runs kang business nila everyday. So, kumbaga, ang franchisor na control the product and brand, but then the franchisee decides kung paano nila i-operate ang andang business daily. Next, the business format franchise. So, this is the common type of franchising wherein franchisor gives the franchise a complete business package, not just the product or brand name, but also their business model, operating system, training, marketing plans, and brand standards. So, ang franchisee must follow gid kang franchisor's rules, kung paano ang how the store look, kung paano ang products or services are delivered, and kung paano mag-promote ang franchisors. So parang it helps the franchisee ensures that the customers get the same experience in every branch. So next, the manufacturing franchise. So amo ni siya ang type ng franchise where the franchise is allowed to produce or manufacture products instead of just selling them. So ang franchisor ma-provide kang specific formula, recipe, or process or raw materials para to ensure that the product quality is the same everywhere. So after the production, the finished product are sold using the franchisor's brand name. So in order to the customers recognize and trust the product. Example, dala ang mga soft drinks company, it allows a local manufacturer to produce beverages using its secret formula and sell them under its famous. So, kumbaga, the franchisor gives the how to make it and the franchisee does the actual manufacturing. So next, the service franchise. So this is a type of franchise focused on providing services instead of selling physical products. So ang franchisor that gives trainings, procedures, and guidelines to make sure that service quality is consistent in every branch. So example na is mga services franchises including mga salons, cleaning services, tutorial centers, and repair services wherein customers pay for the service rather than a product. Kumbaga, ang service franchise sells services, not products, while following the franchisor's brand quality and standards. So I will provide here 5 essay questions. So post your answers on the comment section below and screenshot ninyo kag isend sa GC natin for your attendance. Thank you.